It's important to make the most out of employer talks, so if you know which company's coming in beforehand, then you can prepare for it by researching them and thinking of any questions that you might want to ask.
It's also good to try and make a good first impression, because if it turns out that it's a company that you maybe want to work for in the future or do some work experience in year 10, 11 or 12, it's good that you've got that first impression. It really gives you kind of an advantage. It's also that it's a really good opportunity to ask questions and show them that you're interested if it's a company that you're interested in working for later. So when it comes to a careers fair, it's a great opportunity to speak to as many employers as possible, because there's so many different careers there and they're all in one place. So take that opportunity to talk to as many people as you can, and don't be shy about going up to someone and just asking them questions.
Because there's a high likelihood that someone else will be thinking the same thing as you. And it's also a good idea you could take your CV with you, and this can be shown to different employers if you're interested in them. As long as it's up to date and relevant, there's no harm in it. There's lots of different things that you can do to help yourself. So being proactive is a big thing and is important. So you could find your own uni open days to go to, maybe speak to your friends and a group of you could go to them. You also can do a lot of research into different opportunities that you can go into. So after year 11, you might want to do an apprenticeship, or you might want to go to sixth form, or you might want to go to college. So research into all of these and find what's best for you.
A good way to connect with companies is making a LinkedIn profile. A lot of companies these days are making a LinkedIn profile to communicate with other companies and also to connect with employees or people looking for a new job, so it's a great way to look for what opportunities are out there.
Also, using careers platforms such as Unifrog is very helpful, as there's lots of advice on there.
And then there's talking to people like teachers, even just going into a workplace, maybe seeing if there's somebody that you could talk to, friends, family, finding what different career paths might be out there. You never know what you'll find. There's no harm in talking to somebody about it. We conducted research using a questionnaire to find out what young people want from an employer's talk, what they want employers to talk about, and things like social media and so on. It's given us an insight into what young people want to have from those kind of experiences, and we've also used that research to inform employers about what they should be doing to make people interested, young people interested.
You are the next generation of leaders in Cumbria, so take the opportunities that you get and make the most of them. There are loads of opportunities in Cumbria for you, so be proactive, do research, find out what they are, and remember to ask questions.